Today I am going to be unboxing this. It is the Harry Potter 2019 limited edition advent calendar. Now, a lot of you went crazy when I had posted this on Instagram. I think it was like 2 weeks ago, and a lot of you guys were asking me, how did I get this? I had pre-ordered this with GameStop, and all you had to do is like put $5 down. You could put down as much as you want. It was $40, which is not bad because once those resellers get them, it's kind of an arm and a leg to get a hold of these. And then last year when I did my advent calendar unboxing like every day for Christmas, I did one. I'm so impatient, so I don't know how the heck I did that, but you guys were all going crazy for it. But by that time it was all sold out. This one is not even released yet. I mean, I know that I'm the only one that has it so far. I think one of you guys told me on Instagram that you have it as well, but a lot of you cannot find this. So go on GameStop.com. I mean, I went in store to pre-order mine, but I really wanted to wait, even though I'm so impatient, to unbox this, but a lot of you wanted to see what was inside. So here's what I'm going to be doing, right? It is only August, but before you know it, December's gonna be here, but let's not rush it, right? So, you guys wanted me to unbox this because you guys can't wait either. And I was like, you know what? I'll unbox it for you guys, and I will put my pops back into the calendar. And when December comes, I will do a re-unboxing every day because it gives you something fun to do every day, you know, count down till Christmas Eve. I mean, why wouldn't you want to do that? So, I'm going to unbox this for you guys, even though I'm impatient. Ooh, you know, let's see. Oh, this is beautiful. What the heck? Look at this. Oh, this is so magical, guys. Oh my god, I really wanted to wait till Christmas, but like, well, December to do this, but like I said, I mean, I'm so busy, I might forget what's inside, so we're gonna start. Alright, let's see. How are we gonna do this? I never did this before on my channel. Alright. Day one. We have... I just got my big pop like this. Right now my hair is looking like Hagrid because I was in the pool, and I came in and it air dried like this, so don't mind that. But look, it's Yule Ball Harry. I just got the bigger pop like this in the mail yesterday. He is so cute. Oh my gosh. I love this already. Okay. We'll put him back there and we'll close him up. Now, onto slot number 2. We shall see what's in here. What the heck was that? Okay. It's Ginny! I was like thinking how I wanted to do this unboxing, guys. I was like, should I like put it in front of the camera and do it? But I'm like, then you don't get to see my face. So what's the fun in that, you know? It's Ginny. Yule Ball Ginny. She's so cute. And she has her braids and everything. I'll probably just do some individual filming of these so you can see them up close. Because I don't know what's wrong with my camera right now. Now, we shall do day 3. It is Fleur. Fleur Delacour. They're so pretty. But even. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. I mean, her eyes chipped a little bit with paint. I am pretty picky about that, but that's okay. It's fine. It's fine. As long as I got a calendar, I'm okay with it. I didn't even do that one on camera. What am I doing? I'm too excited. Okay. Here we go. Day 4. We have Victor Crumb. Oh, this is adorable. It's about time they made something like this. This is so cool. What the heck? I will probably just do some like overlays of these Funkos because I don't know what's going on with the camera right now. So, day 5. Oh, what is this? Who is this? It's McGonagall! She's so adorable. Oh, the detail on this is amazing. Whoa. This is so magical. I honestly won't remember what's in here when December rolls around, so it'll be like Merry Christmas to me all over again. So, Day 6. Professor Snape. We have Snape. I got the whole set of the bigger pops. I ordered, well, the Harry from Hot Topic. My sister did the order for me. And then from Box Lunch, she got the rest of them. And then the only one they didn't have was the regular Fox. The like plastic one, not the flocked one. I have 2 of the flocked ones from SDCC. So now I had the plastic Fox because I'm that collector that needs like all of them. So just had to throw that out there. And then here's Snape. Day 7. Kakarot. Yes, he is cute. This is adorable. They did such a great job. I wonder if there are any exclusives in here. Like last year. No, was there any exclusive? I don't remember. And day 8. One. Aww. Oh, okay. They're so cute. I can't even with this. And then day 9. You know, I should have went with my first instinct. It's Fred and George. I knew it. I'm like, that is not Ron's outfit there. I was like, this is black. His was like that brown one. So we have Fred and George. They're adorable. I'm looking at the hair and everything. I'm like, that's not Ron's hair. Now we have day 10. And if you guys want to know why in the world am I wearing a sweater right now and it's really hot, because I'm very cold. I came out of the pool and I'm freezing. This is too cute. It's one of the Patil twins. I bet you the next lot's gonna be her other, well, her sister. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Next, day 11. Are you guys going to get, yes, I was right, it's her twin. Are you guys going to be getting this calendar? Or are you guys going to be getting the new pops? The bigger pops of these? Or, I mean, I know some people just like to get the mini ones. So let me know down below, what are you guys going to be doing? And here's the twin. It's literally the same thing. They look the same. Day 12. I'm getting so excited. I'm opening these before I'm even showing it to you guys, so that was fun. It's Cho! It's Cho. She's cute. They have a bigger pop of her coming, and I also have the doll. So if you guys watch one of my previous hauls, I don't even remember which haul it was, but one of my previous ones, I got the doll of her, and she's so beautiful. Day 13. This is going really fast. Scarily fast. Oh my god. Does she need an introduction? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm excited. Let me stop. What the heck? I didn't know she was going to be in here. Day 14. I'm so excited now. Shut the front door. Are you kidding me? They put Filch in here too? He won't come out of the bag. Okay, well done. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. I'm too excited. Let's see who's next. Let's get to this. Day 15. I almost broke my nail trying to open this. What's in here? It's Wan. He didn't want to come out. Sorry, Ron. Aww. He's so cute. Day 16. I still don't know why I said that that was Ron when I clearly knew that was freaking George. Like, what the heck is wrong with me? I think I'm just getting too excited. Guys, they put Mad Eye in here. Mad Eye's in this calendar as well. This is a really nice set of minis. Like, I don't want to be that, like, jerk that posts this on social media and ruins it for everybody. So I won't be posting pics of this until I open them. And until everybody gets their calendar. I mean, it's kind of stupid because I'm making the video on it. But I will put spoiler on the title. So I know some people still tend to click it and then blame me for that. I don't blame them though. I try to avoid spoilers when it comes to things like this. But I mean, I was excited, you guys were excited, I was gonna wait, but you all wanted an unboxing, so. I mean, and some of you, I know, like, some people tell me they're really picky about what's inside the calendars, and they don't want to waste their money. So, you know, if you were thinking about the calendar, and you want to invest in this, I'm giving this a really great review, and now you see what's inside, so you can get your own too. Day 17. Little Dumbledore! Aww. Alright. I have so many exciting videos coming your way, so get excited for that. I'm really, really excited. And I'm going to be starting my Halloween series, and pretty soon. So, what do you guys think I should call it this year? I'm out of ideas for that. I don't know what to call it this year. And here is little Dumbledore. He has his hands behind his back. He's really cute. The 18th of December. And we have 6 more. It's Cedric! In his tufts. Cedric. He's adorable. I feel like I'm on those game shows, or like of that other guy, like, here you go. Okay, so, the 19th. Neville! That is so satisfying. Neville. Neville Longbottom. Something's wrong with me. I want some coffee. I'm deprived. And I'm really hungry, guys. I'm hungry. I didn't eat since breakfast. I'm starving. I was filming all day. I have a really exciting video coming for you guys on Wednesday. So keep an eye out for that. I'm excited. Because I never did something like this before. So get ready. So now we have the 20th. Is this Mr. Malfoy? Yes, it is. They did not have to go this hard. These are so cute. After this video, guys, this adorable calendar, I must hide it from myself. I know last year I think I made my sisters keep it from me. Because I was like, I'm going to be too, like, tempted to open it. So I think I made them keep it for me, or I hid it myself. I don't remember. Something like that. I don't know. And here is Draco. And then we have the 21st. Are you guys going to open this, by the way? I mean, this is a dumb question because I'm doing the unboxing. Or are you going to just buy and leave it for December? Some people want to, like, some people told me that they want to buy 2 and just do it that way. And some people just said they're gonna wait. Really? They made Hagrid too? He's cute. And his Yule Ball outfit. There's only 3 more, so, I mean, Hermione, I mean, that would be a given, so they had to have her, but I don't know who else they would have. Imagine Tom in a Yule Ball attire. I'm always laughing at Voldemort, like, I have issues, but I think it's funny. So, day 22. I mean, this Slughorn, but... Another Ron? Interesting. Very interesting. I wonder why they did that. They never like double Ron. Am I missing something? It's when he takes off his robe. Day 23. Who else can we have in here? Hermione. So who can lucky number? She is really cute. She's really cute. The hair, and she's in her dancing position. That's really cute. I look like I was flying just now, so scratch that. Day 24. You guys should follow me because every day last year, you know, when I opened my calendar, I recorded it and me opening it. It was really exciting. I liked it. It's Harry! Didn't I get Harry in the first one? It's him with his robe off too. I think that they could have put like Slughorn or something in here, but I mean, I'm obsessed with the calendar. I'm really happy with it. Like, I'm not complaining. So we have double Ron, double Harry. One with their robes on, one with it off. So that's what you get in this calendar. I don't know if they have any ones that are exclusive to anywhere else, but these ones, this one didn't come with any props like the one did last year. It came with like a tree and stuff to set up. They didn't do it this year. So this is what it looks like, guys. And those are the characters inside. What did you guys think about this unboxing? Are you guys going to buy this? Like, do you want to own this? Did you get the one last year? And were you happy with that one? Because let me tell you, I was really happy last year, and I'm really happy this year. I love this calendar so much. It's definitely a favorite of mine, and I hope that they continue to do this every year because I'm going to jump on those pre-orders so that I never miss out, because that's what I did last year and I did it this year too, and I ended up getting it. And apparently the guy at GameStop was saying that so many people were calling for my calendar and they were like, how long did you have to pick it up? I went and blah blah blah. And then when I got there and he told me this, I was like, no, I do not play when it comes to my Funko Pops, so there is no way that anyone would have gotten that anyway. So I'm glad that I went the same day I got the phone call that my calendar arrived, because I think they hold everything for up to 72 hours. So if I didn't go pick that up, they would have gave it away to somebody else, which sucks because you put money down on it. But I mean, I guess that's how it works. So if you guys want to head to GameStop.com or just go to your local store, try to pre-order that guy before he sells out. This is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just giving you guys some advice in advance if you don't want to miss out on this. Alright, my babies, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you will never miss any uploads of mine. And leave some comments down below and let me know your thoughts on this. And are you guys going to be getting this? And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
I wanna love you with the lights on, keep you up all night long, darling, I wanna see